Today, while we go on a sea trip, we are going to learn the letter S. Let's go together.
Wow, we met a whale.
Hello, I'm a whale. Would you like to travel underwater with me?
The whale says it will show us around the underwater world.
Wow, that sounds like fun!
Wow, the underwater world is so beautiful. Amazing.
This is a playground. Wow, that looks fun.
I have to try the slide. This is so much fun. Slide. S is for slide. This is kindergarten. You can draw pictures and learn letters with Teacher Whale.
Let's try drawing and coloring the letter too. I'm going to color it with a red crayon.
Thank you, Whale, for taking us on a trip underwater.
It was so much fun!
Shall we learn more letters? Let's guess what letter we're making. What letter could it be? That's right. It's the letter S. Let's write down the letter. S.
Well done!
Shall we learn how to write the letter S?
How?
Start from the top and trace it nice and slow, following the curvy arrow. S. Can we try writing it one more time with a blue crayon? S.
It's amazing!
Look at this. We have a starfish, a ship, and a shark. What letter goes right at the very beginning? That's right. Starfish starts with the letter S. S, starfish. S is for starfish. What letter goes here? That's right. It's the letter S. S, ship. S is for ship. Now what letter goes for this one? You got it. Shark starts with the letter S. S, shark. S is for shark. You did a great job! Wasn't it fun learning the letters together underwater? See you again next time. Bye!